Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is absolutely gorgeous, this lock. It's like a handbag lock made by a French company called Vachette, and it is just a lovely, lovely piece of brass with a hardened shackle. Guess how I know? And it's a great lock in many ways. It's absolutely lovely, but sadly and it's anti-shim as well. You can't shim this. If you notice how it unlocks, look at that mechanism where as the plug turns, it acts sort of as a, the cutout in the top of the plug sort of allows the shackle to be released. Now, it is genuinely such a lovely, lovely design. I think I've got a small one of these. Great lock, but so easy to pick, sadly. Now, part of the reason is because the bitting is relatively flat. That does not help this lock. So let's show you how easy this is to pick. We'll pop in our turning tool at the bottom of the keyway, grab a gem hook in 18,000th, pull back and to see what we can feel. So pin 3 is binding here quite heavily. Give that a little kick, and then pin 4 here, a really nice click. Pin 5 at the back, binding so heavily. I think it's pin 4 again, and then back to pin 1. Give this a go, and we're open. So it isn't just the key. Oh, so let me open this up. Sorry, it isn't just the key here. It's the there we go. I thought I'd somehow misopened it. It's the fact that I think it's all got standard pins in, which is a big shame. So let's lock that back up. All the drive pins will be in the keyway here, so just turn it back around. There we go. Grab a key, make sure it's all locked back up. And is it easy to rake? Should be. Let's give this a go as well. Oh wow, look at all the oil coming out of that. I didn't grease this, so and we'll just give this a little rake like this, and we're open. That is how easy this lock is to pick. So it's a big shame you can't turn it back because all the driver pins go up into the keyway. You've got to grab a back of a pick, pop that in the bottom and turn it back around, and then you should be absolutely fine. There we go. So there you go, an absolutely gorgeous lock, but sadly proof that if you just don't even have security pins, this turns from a gorgeous looking solid lock into a rudimentary pick. Bit of a shame, but a really nice lock for the old collection. Anyway, let me know what you think to this lock in the comments. Do you have one of these? Do you like one of these? What do you think to its form factor? I do read all the comments, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed but want to see more content like this, hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell. Really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.